So it seems like we got another apartment for tonight in the building because we don't have electricity, as I already complained earlier. So we got this apartment for tonight. I think it's 25th floor. So we're gonna go and check it out. Actually, I don't have to move my stuff from the current apartment in order to get to the other one. So I can keep all of my stuff in there, which is good. I will just sleep in the new apartment because yeah, it has electricity and I need electricity. I still need to do some work. It's nice because it has also the AC. So that's that. So let's go and check it out. No, I'm actually not gonna take that elevator. I saw it the other day, it was broken. They were trying to fix it. And when I took it, it also sounded wrong. Guys, I forgot. I actually need another key. And I need to take it from downstairs. So, because I cannot go to the floor if I don't have a key. So I need to take it from the mailbox, and I have a passcode in the mailbox. I forgot. I came to my own floor because I didn't know what to do, but now I'm gonna go down and take the key from the mailbox. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. And it is indeed 25th floor. So I'm gonna take the key from the mailbox and we'll go check out the place. Alright, so we're back to the mailbox. But I'm gonna have to check which one. So, guys, I did not know I'm in the B tower actually. Well, I didn't realize in the other place it's in the A tower. So, we have to get out of here. I should show you how beautiful it is from the 6th floor at night. 66th floor, sorry. It's really amazing. Yeah, we're now going to Block A. So we're gonna have both keys. This apartment and from the other apartment. So that's for tonight. That's for tonight. Hey, sorry. Mailbox?
Collect the key.
Huh? Yes, collect key. I actually had to register. So, right. Let me search for this and put in the code, okay? And this is how you are getting your key. I had to give them the passport again, even though I'm staying in the other tower already. Alright. And I got the key. I got the key. Alright, so now let's go and check out. Look guys. 2 keys. Like a boss. Tower A, Tower B. Let's go. Okay guys, I have to check again. Where do I have to go? Yeah, 2408. 2408. Oh look, it's here. Right, I'm gonna have to check again the password. Is that a cat? Looks like a cat. Let's check the password.
Unlocked.
Yes, this is the one. Oh. All right, this is what we got for tonight. And I think this unit has a fridge as well. It does. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. I don't know if we have to pay for, I hope we don't have to pay for cleaning. It wouldn't make sense. Because I didn't want to change the unit. Okay. That's how it looks. Actually, you can see the city. Yeah, this is nice. It's really nice. Okay, that's it. This is the unit. So I want to show you how the view is from here. Because we changed the apartment and it's on the other side. It's on the other side. So you can see all of the iconic buildings of Kuala Lumpur. There's your Petronas Towers. There's your, I think if I'm not mistaken, maybe that's not the TRX. Maybe that's the TRX. Here we are at 24th floor.